So today I'm trying out this really cute wig that I got from Amazon for only $20, guys. Follow me. Okay, so again, I got this wig from Amazon. It was only 20 bucks. It's a really cute wig. They have so many different colors though. I did not even notice that because I probably would have picked this in a different color. And I'll show you the color that I would have picked it in. But let me just run through all the colors for you because like I said, they are really dope. This is more like a brownish color. I mean, it's just the basic colors, you know, the 613s and stuff like that, which is not a full 613, but it's half black at the top and then 613, maybe not even 613 at the bottom. Okay, this one's cute too. You know what? It does come with a headband wig, or sorry, with a headband, guys. This is a headband wig. Okay, here's the black and 613. That's not the one that I'm talking about. It's okay. I did not care for this red one, but again, it's okay. But the one that I'm talking about, I'll show you here in just a second. This headband though that these girls have on, this is the one I'm talking about. That one's the cutest one to me. I really like that one. But those headbands are not that big. That's one thing that I noticed about this wig. But it's $20. I mean, it's definitely something to play with and something to put on whenever you really do not want to show any leave out. Like a minimum amount of leave out, right? Like you just want the front part to show, and even with that, you could swoop some of that, because it's a lot of hair, you could swoop some of that forward and cover even some of your leave out and tuck it right back under that wig. So you don't even have to use a whole lot of leave out. You can make this kind of like a full-blown wig as well. But yeah, this is definitely a decent buy for $20, just for you to have something real quick to throw on your head. There's different sizes though. There's like a 26, there's a 28, and that's it. So they come in different prices, anywhere ranging from $20 to like $25 or $26. But here is the wig, and it comes with a couple of things, not that comb, but it is definitely has these caps that you can put on your head to protect your hair or just basically keep your hair in place. I have had a cap on before and did not have my hair groomed correctly underneath the wig, and my hair was popping out of the wig, like the little holes in the wig, mine was popping out. So that's not a good look. So I'm glad they provide the caps. This is the headband. This is one of the headbands. It actually comes with two, but like I said, it does not have as much coverage as those other headbands are on the model. So that's kind of not true, but it's still cute. I mean, maybe you can go buy a bigger one. They're like $5 for the big ones. And this comes with two of the wig caps. So I like that they put that in every time because I don't always have a wig cap handy. I lose those things so fast. But as far as the wig, it comes in this package just kind of like this. It's not like one of those long packages that, you know, wigs normally come in that you buy at the hair store. This does look like a hair store wig, but yeah. So fresh out of the package, it does look a little, I actually pulled it out before because I wanted to look at it, but so don't think that this is how it comes out fresh, but it's not too much different, right? You know, the hair is like put together. I don't know how to explain that. Like it's fused together or something with some type of chemical, I believe, because when I tried to brush it out, I had a lot of white residue, like wax. So it looks like it's waxed together, but it has two combs in the front and one comb at the bottom, and then like where the neck is, and it has two adjustable straps. I use those combs, but I don't normally use the adjustable straps. I don't even take them, loosen them up. Oftentimes I cut out the adjustable straps, but I didn't do that today. The reason why I cut out adjustable straps is because if I don't have on a wig cap, it does get tangled in my hair, which is annoying. Once these wigs get a little older and I'm combing and pulling out hair on these cheaper wigs, they do have gaps, so I can't wear that brown color. I have to wear black. so I don't have a black wig cap. So yeah, I don't normally do the headbands. I normally take a seam ripper and remove the headbands off because I like to use my own leave out. But today I'm going to wear this just exactly how it's supposed to be worn. So this is out of the package and put on my head with not much, not much manipulation to the wig. So I'm putting it on over the cap. I only have 2 braids in the back of my head, and then I have a base braid going across the front so that I can put these combs in the braid. And when I say the base braid, I'm talking like braided to my scalp. So 2 French braids from going down the side of my head. They're small though. If you can't French braid, you can always rubber band off some hair with those small black rubber bands and use that to hold your hair, or to hold those combs in. Okay, that might be something you might want to do. All right, so right now I'm just trying to make sure that I don't get the hair caught in those Velcro straps, because the headband is a Velcro strap around your head that you tighten yourself. So that's why I'm putting the hair up like this. So you can see in the back that I don't have any leave out, just my kitchens, which are kind of rough right now. So please don't pay attention to that because you're not going to see it anyway. So this is it. This is how it looks fresh out of the package without any combing, without any manipulation or any of that. It's too, I don't know how to say it. Maybe it's a little bit too neat for me. So I always got to do something to kind of rough it up a little bit, because I like my hair to look more natural than not. So those perfect curls is not the look that I was looking for. So here's the headband that I put with the wig. It did come with a second headband, but I lost it. I'm definitely trying to figure out how to style this hair up, but eventually I do brush it out a bit, which is probably a mistake because, like I said, it does leave some type of white residue. I thought it was actually in my brush, but it was not. So yeah, don't brush this wig out. Leave it how it is. It doesn't look bad how it is. It just looks too perfect how it is. Like nobody's curls. Well, I guess you could have some perfect curls if you braided your hair. Then it would all kind of be in sync. Versus you combing it with a rod or something like that. Or curling it with a rod or something. So yeah, I definitely think that I could have left it how it is. Yeah, I don't mind my camera keeps sliding off of the mirror. I learned that with the Octo Buddy, I have to wipe down my front screen of any grease or anything like that because I use the back camera all the time. So yeah, but anyway, it does slide a little bit. Now I'm trying to do a top ponytail with all of the stragglers that was left out. You can see it if you look closely. I wasn't really feeling the ponytail at the top. That's one of my favorite go-to hairstyles. I definitely feel like the hair is it's a lot, and it wouldn't kind of ball up the way that I wanted it to. So this this wig is probably best left down. And this is just me playing around with it and trying to open those curls up a little bit because, like I said, I don't like the perfect curls, but I wish I would have left it alone. I'll be honest with you, this is probably not a wig that I would get, but guys, it has so many reviews on it, and it was the closest thing to 5 that I've ever seen, like 5 stars. I'm gonna say it was like 4.6, and when I got it, I was just like, oh, okay, these people must not be combing this out because combing it out, it leaves residue. There's white residue that's coming out or brushing it out. And then it doesn't really break up, I guess. Yeah, and you see how it's trying to curl back up. So I learned pretty early on that I probably don't want to do too much brushing on this wig. So guys, if you get this wig, I will have the link down in the description. If you get it, just remember it's a $20 wig. Do not comb it out or it will not last long and it will have white residue that you'll be trying to get out of it. So just try to leave the wig how it is. Maybe get one of the colorful ones if you want something more, I don't know, I don't know, it just wasn't for me. But I mean, for the first day, I liked it. It was cute. I probably should try to, you know, bring some of the hair in front of the headband, but even a ponytail in the back would be cute, I think. But ultimately, the wig is completely tangled. It is really hard to, you know, maneuver the curls and stuff like that. So as you can see, I'm still just wearing it straight to the back. It's not much you can do with the wig, in my opinion. But if you get it, just remember that. Remember where the mistake that I made. You really cannot, you know, comb this wig out. You can't brush it out. It's not going to work. Even with water, I did go back and try to put some water on it and, you know, comb it out as well. That just made it look bushy. So I don't know how I would save this wig other than to buy another one. But as you can see, the wig is cute. I just wouldn't do too much manipulation to the wig. You see how I'm trying to put it in a ponytail? I thought that was a pretty cute hairstyle. I don't really do the edge control type of stuff, but you can always do that. It would look so cute with, you know, you putting the edges down. I'm 47. I don't have baby hairs anymore, but some days I do have baby hairs. But today I did not. But this is cute to wear it over, you know, kind of like a comb over. I thought that was cute too. But yeah, 26, 28 inches of hair that just stays the exact same is kind of not what I was looking for. But like I said, if you get the wig, just keep in mind it's a $20 wig. You can just throw on your head real quick, hide your leave out with a headband, and it literally is like a 5-minute hairstyle as long as you already had your hair braided. If you didn't have your hair braided, put it in 2 puff balls in the back, 2 balls in the back, and then just throw the wig on top of that. I mean, the curls look pretty, right? I did comb it out just a little bit. And like I said, that's probably a mistake. I probably would not do that. I don't recommend combing the wig out, but I do recommend the wig. As you can see, the wig is pretty. And if you go to Amazon, if you tap the link that I hit, the reviews are up there. The reviews are reviewing. Like, they are definitely giving this wig a good chance. But me, I don't know, I probably just should not have combed it out. I think. So it's user error, guys. But I like to show you the good, the bad, and I don't really have any uglies, but this is not a good for me. So, and it's probably because I ruined the wig, but I did really enjoy making this video for you anyway. Now that's really cute. Like I said, the comb over method is so cute. So if you get it, do the comb over method and you are good to go. But like I said, I did really enjoy making this video for you and styling up this wig the best that I could. I hope that you enjoyed it too. Let me know what you think about this wig. How do you feel about this wig in the comments below? And let me know if it's something that you think that you want to buy. Remember, I'm trying to grow my head to my mid-back. So I need to leave it alone as much as possible. I need to moisturize it as much as possible. I'm going to say every 2 to 3 days I want to moisturize it and just make sure it's detangled. But like the video for me, subscribe to my channel because I got other reviews that was not a fail, y'all. All right, bye-bye.